Dobrodošli k ogledu predstavitve predmeta angleščina. Pri pouku angleščine vam nudimo kvaliteten pouk s sodobnimi učbeniki, vključujemo pa tudi različne aplikacije kot pomoč pri poučevanju. Veseli smo, da lahko pri pouku občasno vključimo rojstno govorko.
My name is Cindy, and I'm the English native speaker from Canada. I join fourth year classes once a week and work closely with professors to create lessons that complement each other in the teaching and learning activities of students.
Dijaki v 4 letih pridobijo veliko znanja pri pouku, kot tudi sodelovanjem na različnih tekmovanjih in natečajih ter pisanjem člankov za šolski časopis Heartbeat. Spodbujamo pa jih tudi, da samostojno usvajajo besedišče in znanje glede na interese. Angleščina je večinoma tudi jezik mednarodnih projektov in izmenjav. Dijakom nudimo tudi možnost ekskurzije v London, kjer doživijo utrip mesta. Raven znanja angleščine je po koncu 4. letnika visoka in naši dijaki uspešno študirajo v Veliki Britaniji in Združenih državah Amerike.
Hi, my name is Eric and I'm a former Prva Gimnazija student. I think that learning English at Prva Gimnazija is very important and useful since it enables us to actually use our skills at different international competitions and projects, and also gave me enough knowledge to continue my studies at one of the best universities in the United Kingdom.
Dijake 2. letnika smo vprašali, kaj menijo o Prvi gimnaziji Maribor.
The teachers are encouraging and supportive as long as you participate in lessons and study. The same goes for the students. If you give kindness, you will also receive it.
I like to think that the students as well as the teachers accept diversity among us. Therefore, we are all treated equally. The general atmosphere is very positive.
I like the classrooms because they're big and they have a lot of space. They also have big windows that let in a lot of sunlight, which is important to me.